Let's draw a super angry bird today. First, I'm drawing a big round circle for the body. Now I will add 2 little feathers on top, just like this. Next come the angry eyebrows. Now I draw the eyes right under the eyebrows. Time to add the beak, a little triangle shape. And finally, a small tail at the back. Trace your drawing with a black marker to make it neat and bold. Great! Now let's color the beak yellow, body red, and eyebrows black to make it look just like the real angry bird. Now draw a tiny black dot inside each eye. Color the tail black. If you enjoyed this, click like and subscribe to Easy Art Academy for more fun drawings. Bye-bye!